going on, guys? It's been a while since I made a update vid. So got rid of the red car, finally got it running. I'll post some clips of that in this video, probably at the end. But getting ready to start this hatch build for the summer. Gotta start cutting the front of the car up for this sick manifold that I had Hayden from the Boosted Boys weld me up. It's a forward facing sport front wheel drive T3 flange single 44 mil V-band. Came out excellent, great quality work. I'll add his links in the description. But pretty much I gotta put that on here and cut most of this off a little bit, cut into here. Gotta take the headlight out for now and just see what goes where, but I'll be back once I get some chopping done. Alright guys, so got the manifold mounted with the turbo, running a Rev 9 6662 anti-lag ball bearing turbo off eBay. So got it fitted up pretty good. Had to cut this piece off that goes like there. It's kind of like the rad support. Kind of only got my rad support just by where is it? Let's see if you can see it. Just holding on by that little piece of metal. Just holding up this whole side. I gotta be careful, but she's on. She's mounted up. Could probably make a little bit more room. Probably going to make a little bit more room right here. The compressor housing is rubbing a little bit. I'm probably gonna clock it this way a little bit, so it's kind of like shooting at an angle, not instead of down. So still gotta do that, but yeah, I'm probably gonna notch out a little bit more of this, probably from like here to maybe here, just to have enough room. But she's mounted up, looks sweet in there. One step closer. Going on, guys? In the garage right now, working on the new build. Just installed the new competition clutch kit, stage 4 6-puck ceramic. Getting ready to put the head on. I just put the transmission, bolted that back on. Everything's done in the bottom end. Oil pan's on for good. Gonna be getting ready to put this head on. Got the head gasket right there. Just trying to get as much done as possible before I leave tomorrow for this little vacay I'm going on for 3 days. Then when I come back, I gotta rush and get the car together, put the motor in, and take her to paint. And so let's get this head on and we'll make another small update. Alright, so I got the head gasket on, got the head out here. Wanted to show you guys a little bit of it. Haven't really showed you anything. Could have got the combustion chambers a little cleaner, but didn't. Like I said, it's got Ferrera valves, full GSC head package, GSR head, V16 block. So hopefully it'll be fun. Trying to make up for some compression with the smaller combustion chamber. What's going on, YouTube? long time, no update. Got the hatch painted, got the new motor in, but obviously as you can see I'm in the process of taking it apart. I'm at the dyno. When I rebuilt this motor, I put that whole new head package in and never adjusted the valves. So I was trying to fire it with unadjusted valves, and they were so unadjusted that they were kind of riding open, and I think that I might have bent the valve. Actually, in each cylinder, the only one that's good here is number 1. It's rated 150 compression. All these ones are down to 30. So I'm going to take this motor out and put the one that I had last year in it with all these new good parts on it. So pretty much got everything torn down. The only thing that's left is like the clutch feed, axles on each side, the shift linkage, and obviously to drop the motor. I still have to take the manifold off. Gotta get this O2 sensor out. I gotta take the torsion bar, take that off. So I got some work ahead of me, but I'm gonna try and bang it out, get it done real quick.
Much better now, huh?
Looking good on the dyno, looking good.